Welcome everybody to this video. Today I will show you how to fix VN Video Editor's sound problem easy and quick. All what you need to do is to open your settings of your mobile phone, click on Apps option, and here in the search bar search for VN Video Editor and click. Now you will see this list, go to Storage, click Clear Cache at the corner of the screen and back. Click right now on Force Stop, click here OK. And after this, just come to permission option. Make sure that you give permission to files and media. And right now move to Play Store. Make sure that your VN Video Editor is updated and restart your phone, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.